Welcome to Preform Line Products. This video covers the installation of the Maxtensor MXL2. Be sure to select the proper size product for the wire to be used. Start with wires that overlap. Next, find the arrows on the splice and insert the wires in the direction of the arrows. After the wires are inserted, be sure to leave 4 inches of a tail for tensioning purposes. If tensioning is desired, grab your MXAC, open the handles so the head of the tool can accept the wire, insert the wire to be tensioned, then close the handles. Repeat if necessary. This completes the installation of the MXL2. For more information, please visit preform.com. All safety guidelines set forth in the appropriate application procedure for this product must be reviewed and followed prior to installing this product. The installation shown is intended to illustrate the application method of the product only. It is not intended to supersede any company construction or safety standards or the use of required protective equipment.